Hi, I'm Michael and welcome to my urushi studio. Today I will show you the cheapest maki-e pen you can buy. New. It's a Platinum. Platinum PTL 5000 or Vicoh. On some markets it's called Vicoh. And there is a line of those pens at different price levels, so in different finish, which are covered with some maki-e design. By Platinum, it's called a modern maki-e, so you can suspect that something is wrong with this maki-e. Proper maki-e is done by hand. It's done with a urushi lacquer and gold and silver and some other metals and some pigments and additives to urushi I was talking about in some of the previous movies. But how is it possible to make a pen for less than 200 euros? It was a mystery for me, but I bought it. I bought two of them because I noticed that the nibs of those pens are perfect and they are very good writers and they're very light, and I like the original Vicoh very much. I even bought one of them cheaply on eBay and repainted it. I will show it in a minute. But I wanted to see this maki-e design, and it's made by screen printing. I don't know what kind of urushi or urushi mix is used on this pen, but it's not made by hand. So this design here is applied with some screen printing. So there are some screen stencils which are applied on the pen. Urushi or some kind of mixture of urushi with some other additives and lacquers is applied through the screen. Then the mixture of colorful powders which are similar to gold or look like gold mixed with some red pigment are applied through the screens, and then it is cured in normal way and then probably sealed with some thin layer of urushi or urushi mix. But still, it's the cheapest way into maki-e world, into a urushi world. So if you have a chance to buy this pen at a good price, I would definitely support decision of buying it, because it's, as I said, it's a great writer. It uses Platinum standard converter. It's light, it's very convenient, it's very comfortable in the hand. The nib is slightly soft, and especially in F fine and in medium version, they are very nice to use as everyday writer, and it looks slightly better than just another black pen with gold trim. I will show you what I did with such a pen. I will show you my version of this pen, maybe not exactly the same model, but also Vicoh and the same nib. I bought one in an awful condition on eBay. It was scratched heavily, it was dull, and even the trim was not perfect on the pen. But I decided to buy it because it was like 10 bucks or something like that, maybe 10 pounds, I don't remember. It was black. But it was one of the first other makers' pen I did my urushi on. It's negoro, so it's black and thread design, and I will talk about negoro painting and negoro technique in one of the future videos, because I'm finishing a negoro pen right now. And it has the same nib as the pen I showed you, but slightly smaller. So it's probably a smaller version of this one. It's also slightly flexible and very nice writer too. And I think that upgrading a 10 quid pen with urushi suits it well, and it rescued a battered and very tired pen, which would be not very pleasant to look at the table or in the hand. Now it looks quite well. So once again, one of the cheapest maki-e entry-level points is this Platinum, and even cheaper is to buy some battered pen and to apply urushi yourself. So try it. So thank you very much. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more. I will try to publish from time to time semi-reviews of maki-e and urushi pens, and if you want more, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.